How to recover YouTube password. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the YouTube application in your mobile device. After that, navigate to the bottom right corner, then tap on the profile icon. Now from here, tap on the settings icon, then tap on account. After that, you will get plus icon and this pop-up box at the top right corner, tap on it. Now you have to verify your device. After that, you will get to this interface. Now, first of all, you have to enter your email or phone number associated with the YouTube account. After that, tap on next. Now it will ask you to enter your password. Now to recover your password, they will have a link as forgot password, tap on it. Now once you land on this interface, it says use your fingerprint, face or screen lock. If you have already logged in with your account in this mobile device, you can simply verify you by providing your fingerprint, face or screen lock. Now if you want to recover password, tap and try another way from the bottom left corner. Now it says enter the last password you remember using with Google account. So if you remember the last password, you can simply type in the last password right here. Then tap on next. It says to help keep your account safe, Google wants to make sure it's really you trying to sign in with your Google account. Now if you have already logged in to this account before in this device and you like to recover your password, after you verify that it's you, there you'll have an option to update password. From the bottom left corner, tap on update password. And then now you can create a new password. So create a new password and tap on confirm. Now confirm your password again. Then tap on save password. And it says you're still logged in on this device after changing your password. If you want to do that, tap on change password and then tap on I agree. And with that, you have recovered your YouTube password and now you can log in with the password that you have created the next time. So that's how you can recover your YouTube password, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.